Now today we are once again we are going to study foods that build the body. So this is class 4th A. Class 4th A foods that build the body. Foods that build the body. Build the revision. Food that build the body. Revision. This lesson we are studying. So in this lesson we had studied last time about the food and nutrients, in which we discussed about the carbohydrates, function of the carbohydrates and sources of the carbohydrate. In the same way about the fats, function of the fat and the sources of the fats. In the proteins, also the functions and the sources of the proteins. The same way about the minerals and vitamins we have also studied. Now we have to study junk food. Study about the junk food. Junk food. So we are familiar to pizza, burger, cakes, etc. These are included in the junk food. These foods have very less nutritional value. Any food that has a very little nutritional value is considered unhealthy and may be called junk food. So any food that has a little nutritional value is considered unhealthy and may be called junk food. It contains a lot of fat and carbohydrates which can make us gain extra weight. Burgers, pizzas, cakes, coals and French fries are junk food. So we should avoid to take the junk food. One main effect, this junk food causes the obesity. Obesity increases the weight. So now next on the milk. Oh, this is the milk is called as the complete diet because it contains almost all the things needed for our the body. Milk contains almost all the nutrients that is needed for growth and good health. Moreover, nutrients of milk can work as a team to keep the body strong and healthy. Now, balanced diet. This is very important. Balanced diet. Suppose if we are eating only carbohydrate, then what will happen? We are eating only carbohydrate. We are not eating the pulses. We are not eating the vegetables. We are not eating the fruit. Then what will happen? There will be the scarcity of the proteins in our body. There will be scarcity of minerals in our body. So in this way, all the components of food are needed in our diet in appropriate proportion. So the food that we eat on a regular basis form our diet. A balanced diet contains balanced amount of all the nutrients. A balanced diet contains balanced amount of all the nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals together with surface and water. A balanced diet is essential for healthy growth and development of our body. Now, exercise for health. Exercise is very important for the health. Yoga and the exercise with a well balanced exercise with a well balanced diet is one of the main contributors to health. Exercise helps our body to work well. It makes our muscles strong. Regular exercise also keeps us fresh and active. Lack of exercise makes us tired, lazy, and overweight. So, we should participate every day in exercise. Preservation of food. All foods will eventually spoil if not preserved. Some food items like grains, sugar, or nuts can be stored for a long time. Others such as milk or meat stay usable for only few hours to one day. When food is exposed to air and moisture, germs begin to grow on it and the food gets spoiled. It can prove harmful for us. Food preservation is the method to slow down decay of the food. So, food preservation is the method to slow down the decay of food. Here are some common ways for preserving food. So we can, you know that your mother boiled the milk. When milkman gives milk you, your mother boiled the milk. Why boil the milk? By boiling, the germs present in the milk are died, so milk may remain safe, not get spoiled. So, some common ways for preserving food. One is the boiling. Boiling kills the harmful germs and the bacteria. Milk is boiled to save from turning sour for some more time. So by boiling, we can prevent the milk from the spoilage. Now freezing. Freezing preserves food for later use. Food items kept in low temperature slows the growth of the germs. Milk, eggs, meat, fruits and vegetables are preserved by keeping them in a refrigerator. You know that in the refrigerator there is the extremely low temperature. So due to extremely low temperature, there is the low temperature slow down the growth of the microbes. So food may remains safe for long time. So drying or dehydrating. Drying helps the moisture evaporate from food. The food spoilers, the food spoilers germs require moisture to survive. Peas, dates, raisins, fish are kept dry to keep long. Dryness prevents the growth of harmful living things on them. Now, next one in method is the pickling. Pickling, you are familiar with the pickles. The process of making pickles is called as pickling. Pickling is the process of preserving food. Preservatives like salt and oil are added to certain food to slow down the growth of germs. Lime, mango, unripe mangoes, chilies, carrots, and many other vegetables are pickled. Now, next process is canning. Canning is preserving fruits and vegetables in jars with lids that seal to keep them fresh. Some items, such as the fruits, juices, sauce, and jams, are put in sealed cans. So, we must remember that a well balanced diet and adequate exercise are necessary for good health. So, in this way, this food, balanced diet, and adequate exercise is necessary. Thank you. That's what today.